I know there's a lot of you out there that are buying or selling homes, and if you are, you should be calling those Callaways because they are going to help you out. And as always, we have with us today Joe Coleman, who's going to tell us about a fantastic house.
Yeah, we have a wonderful house, 2106 East Kaler. It's a mountainside manor that is like no other home in Phoenix. It's got unbroken 360-degree views. It was designed by renowned architect Vernon Swaback, who just gave the home the perfect perch on top of this mountain so you can see the views, everything from downtown to Camelback and beyond. It's over 6,000 square feet.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, 5.5 bathrooms, so there's plenty of room for everything. It's got a pool, a hot tub, a waterfall. It's just an amazing property. It's currently being shown only by private tour, so if you wanted to get in and see the property, just give us a call and we're happy to schedule something.
Do we get to ask what the price range is on this thing?
Yep, it's $299, so $2,999,000. Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people are going to want to go check out that house. So.
Oh yeah, it's a one-of-a-kind property.
Oh, it sounds like it. Okay, and then as always, if this is not the house for them, they just have to give you a call and you're going to get them hooked up and find the perfect dream home for them.
Absolutely, we've got properties all over the valley.
I love that you can take care of everybody. And the same thing, if they're selling it, buying, selling, they're going to call you and get taken care of.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.